Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. Today we'll be learning how to do Chaturanga Dandasana or the four-limb staff pose. This pose is great for strengthening the core muscles, the arms, as well as improving your overall posture. So once you are ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going.
Lie down on your stomach with your legs straight. Keep your feet hip distance apart. Bend your elbows and place your palms next to your chest. Take a deep breath in and curl your toes in. On an exhale, engage your core and push into the floor with the hands and toes to raise your whole body a few inches from the floor. Only your hands and toes should touch the ground. Keep your whole body taut and engaged parallel to the floor. Remain here for a breath and come down to relax. We will do this with a couple of more variations. Bring your hands next to the chest. Inhale, and as you exhale, push up into Chaturanga Dandasana. Once up, try to slide your body slightly forward and then come back. Again, go forward, come back, last time forward and come back and down. This is a good drill to build strength in the upper body, but it takes a fair bit of practice and strength. We'll now try to come into Chaturanga Dandasana from the more common variation, which is the high plank. Come into a high plank with hands under the shoulders. Keep the core engaged and make sure the hips are not dropping down. Move your body slightly forward. Keep the shoulders open. As you exhale, bend your elbows to come down to Chaturanga. Come down only till the point you are able to maintain the posture and then slide forward to come into Bhujangasana or the Cobra pose. Then come down all the way. This was Chaturanga Dandasana or the four-limbed staff pose as taught in Light on Yoga. Hope you enjoyed it. Do subscribe to the channel to stay tuned to new videos every week. Bye-bye.